I wanted to make a few small wildlife pieces for an exhibition, and suddenly found myself testing acrylics on slate for the first time. Let's see together how it will turn out. I already tried painting wildlife on tote bags before, but this time, for the slate paintings, I decided to paint birds. The first one was a blue-tit. Blue-tits may be tiny, but they can lay up to 16 eggs at once, which feels quite impressive for such a small bird. They are also one of the birds I see most often in gardens here in the UK, so painting one somehow felt very fitting. After that, I painted a wren. Wrens are such tiny little birds, but despite their size, they have incredibly loud voices and are often heard before they are seen. They are very cute. And finally, I painted a goldfinch. Goldfinches are actually very social little birds and are often seen feeding together in groups called charms, which I think suits them perfectly. They are one of those birds that instantly catch your eye with their bright colors. I was lucky enough to get a front row seat when they recently visited my studio window. And if I painted one more bird after this, it would probably be a Eurasian jay. Besides being very beautiful birds, Eurasian jays are also considered among the most intelligent. I actually made a video about Eurasian jays before, so you are very welcome to check it out if you'd like to learn more about this wonderful bird. And one of my drawings, currently shown at the Nature in Art exhibition this week, is also dedicated exactly to this little bird. So if you happen to be nearby and would like to visit the exhibition, I will leave the details in the description. We all will be happy to see you there. Well, I think birds work especially nicely on the dark stone surface. What do you think? If you enjoy seeing these little experiments and learning something new together with me as I go, don't forget to subscribe because I still have quite a few ideas I want to try. It has actually been really fun stepping outside of my usual portrait work and trying something new for a change. It's always fun because it's still something I love. And I think that's one of the lovely things about art. Sometimes you discover new ideas completely by accident. So thank you for being here and experimenting together with me.